Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to translate conversations in Google Meet. This feature is perfect when working with a multilingual team or attending meetings in different languages. It makes communication easier and smoother. Now, let's get started. On your Google Meet call dashboard, we go to Settings. To locate Settings, simply click these three dots for more options, and then go to Settings. Here, we navigate to Captions. Click this Live Captions option. You can change it to the language you want. For example, Dutch. Once you have done this, you can rejoin the call. When you join the call again, let's go to Settings, then Captions, and click this Live Captions option. As you can see, there is a translation here. You can change the fonts and the font color. You can go back to Settings. You can also change the language to Dutch, for example, so that the captions are translated into Dutch and will appear on your screen. With these tools, we can follow the conversation in real time and collaborate effortlessly across languages.